Hello! Today we're going to show you a little hack you can do if you need C or D size batteries but don't have any around. Get these adapters, which can help change your AA size batteries into C and or D size batteries. To use them, insert a AA battery. It can be a rechargeable or non-rechargeable. Just make sure the positive and negative signs match up with the adapter. You know you did it right when you hear a click sound. If you want to remove the battery for the C size adapter, you'll want to apply a little bit more force to get the AA battery out. For the D size adapters, you want to push the top and it should release the AA battery. Once the AA battery is inserted into the adapter correctly, you can use your AA battery as if it was a C or D size battery. Let's try this adapted AA battery in our flashlight. Ta-da! It works just like if it was a D-size battery. Keep in mind that the runtime will be a lot shorter due to difference in battery sizes. It's still a AA battery inside your device. This is more of a quick solution in case of an emergency where you need a D or C-size battery, rather than an ideal usage scenario. For a limited time, we're including these adapters in orders on Tenergy Power at no additional cost. Check out the link in the description if you're interested in getting some of these adapters for yourself.